Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Yahweh Nissi. So, Yahweh Nissi means the Lord is my banner. So, Moses proclaimed this after Israel's victory over the Amalekites when God gave triumph as Moses raised his hand. In battle, a banner signified protection, presence, and victory. Yahweh himself is the banner for his people. This points to Christ, the true banner lifted up on the cross, securing victory over sin, death, and Satan. We fight not for victory, but from Christ's ultimate victory. So, ayon po sa Exodus chapter 17 verse 11 to 15, as long as Moses held up his hands, the Israelites were winning, but whenever he lowered his hands, the Amalekites were winning. When Moses' hands grew tired, they took a stone and put it under him, and he sat on it. Aaron and Hur held his hand up, one on one side, one on the other, so that his hands remained steady till sunset. So Joshua overcame the Amalekite army with the sword. Then the Lord said to Moses, "Write this on a scroll as something to be remembered, and make sure that Joshua hears it. Because I will completely blot out the name of Amalek from under heaven." Moses built an altar and called it to the Lord as my banner. Ayon po sa ating katuruan, we fight from victory, not for victory. So, ibig sabihin, hindi tayo lumalaban para manalo kasi panalo na tayo kay Kristo. On the cross, Jesus already defeated sin, death, and the enemy. Kaya ang laban natin ngayon ay mula sa tiyak na tagumpay, hindi sa uncertainty. And our battle cry is Soli Deo Gloria. So, ang sigaw ng puso natin ay sa Diyos lamang ang kaluwalhatian, every victory, success, breakthrough, transformation. Hindi dahil magaling tayo, kundi dahil mabuti at makapangyarihan ang Diyos. And Nissi points to the cross of Christ. So, Yahweh Nissi means the Lord is my banner. During battles, soldiers look to their banner for hope and identity. Para sa atin, ang banner ay ang cross of Christ, reminding us that God fights for us and goes before us. So, sa applications naman po, fight under the banner of Christ and face your Amalekites with courage. Focus on the Lord or Yahweh Nissi. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.